Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to a little bit of Spanish, everybody. We are enjoying this sunshine. I just got through my walk. I feel like $1,000,000. I did 4.5 miles, 10,871 steps. Woo, and I feel great. And as I was walking, unlike every other Dominican car, you would see the phrase, Dios es mi guía. Dios es mi guía. So that's our Spanish phrase for today, Dios es mi guía. And what that means is God is my guide. Okay, so while y'all almost hit me while I was doing my walk, while y'all are flying on the streets of Punta Cana, y'all are telling me that God is your guide. He is telling you to drive like a fool. Oh, okay, I got you. All right, but that's our Spanish for today. Dios es mi guía. God is my guide. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Don't forget on Thursdays, regular episodes, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button and turn on your notification bell to learn a little bit of Spanish with me every day. A little bit of practice, okay? Thank y'all for joining me. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to soak up all of the sun because I am so tired of the rain. It is going to be a lovely day. Take care.